Supplemental list, fresh admission, item number 1.
Item number 1. This is regarding regulation of outsourcing employees, my lord. You also see that item number 8. Similar matters are there, but I submit, my lord. 2 sets of employees are there. One contractual and another outsourcing. So it can be segregated. I am giving the number. It can be segregated, and you will also fix a date next week so that it can be hard and
But there is, he is correct, Milord. There are 2 groups, Milord. One is direct contractual, one is outsourcing. And in outsourcing cases, Milord, I am filing counter today. And direct contractual, Milord, I have filed my counter. Everything is
everything. You will also can hard this matter next week so that, and it can be
but it can be segregated. Milord.
It can be segregated. I am giving the list and I will give the numbers so that it can be segregated, my lord.
Your number of matters have been listed today, Milord.
May I give the numbers, my lord?
So 21st March we can arrange.
No, 21st and personal difficulty, Milord. Matter is fixed at Calcutta.
22nd.
23rd, Milord.
22nd, my lord.
22nd, Milord.
But 2 dates may be fixed. My lord, one for outsourcing, another for contractual. Why I am
Or at 23rd.
my lord, 23rd.
23rd March.
In respect of outsourcing, and another date may be fixed for contractual.
All right. 30th March for
My
it
lord,
is holiday. Sorry.
I am giving the number, my lord, so that it can
29th for the others.
But
29th, my lord, outsourcing. 23rd is the outsourcing. 29th contractual.
But the reverse can be better, Milord. Direct contractual, Milord, they have a case. And your lordship's, Milord, the last judgment of the Supreme Court, Milord, I have gone there, Milord. And your lordship's order has been passed in WA, Milord, has been confirmed.
Yes, yes.
And number of cases, Milord, I have already given to your lordship's. Your lordship's order confirmed by the another division bench and
All right.
May I give the numbers, my lord? That
Yes.
so item 1, 2.
Today's,
My lord, item 1, 2, 3, 5. In item 8, some matters outsourcing, I will give the read appeal numbers. 1, 2, 3,
there are other
5.
cases also, Milord, I can also give the list.
Item,
Because the leading case has come, the other cases have not come.
I am on the list.
Yes.
along with CC.
Item 1, 2, 3, 5, 36, 38, 41, 44, 46, 47, 48, 52, 66. These are outsourcing matters.
Just
And-
say bracket outsource.
And 2 read appeals in item 8, that is read appeal number 679 of 2022 and WA number 127 of 22. And other, and
One petition, Milord, the outsourcing leading case.
that is the leading case. 127 of 22 is the leading case in the outsourcing matter. And so far as contractual matter, that Patita Pavan is the leading case. That is 777 of 2021 read appeal in item number 8, that is covered on serial number 4, 10, 37, 43, 53, 54, 59, 68, 69, 70, 71, 80. I am giving the list, sorry, it would be better.
All right.
So for item number 10 is concerned, my lords, it's a first day disposal, my lords. In similar matters, my lords, the lordship have passed order and I have a copy. I'll just.
Yes, I have given them. If
Yes.
That can be disposed of.
Your lordship have in that case, my lords, in similar cases, my lord, your lordship have set aside the orders passed by the single bench, my lords, and your lordship have pleased to targeted the case. And in the meantime, your lordship have directed status quo to be maintained in respect of the respondents till disposal of the petition, my lords.
Copy them.
Go. DG.
It's a single case.
Single case. Item number 10.
I think same dates you can work then.
outsourcing.
Same dates.
Only the status quo to be maintained, my lord, in respect of.
Item put out.
Till such time, I think.
At a contractual.
Item 10. All right. 9 is also a big batch.
Item 9 is Sartapeta, I am giving that order.
All right. Call.
Item 9.
So when are those coming up? 8 May. Okay.
Item and other matters, similar matters. Item 15, 24, 25, 26, 27, 40, 42, and 51.
All right.
Item 9.
May I repeat? Item 9, along with item 15, 25, 26.
24, 25, 26, 27, 40, 42, 51.
Item number 11.
My lord, item number 11, outsourcing employee regularization matter.
Lord, I am in VC, my lord.
Similar to serial number 8, my lord. Today list.
So outsourcing, this will also be an outsourcing.
My lord, adequate opportunity of being heard was extended to the appellant, but they did not prefer to participate in the proceeding. And ultimately, honorable court, honorable single judge have passed rightly appropriate order.
The next day we'll consider all that. Next day we'll consider.
I may be pardon, my lord.
11 and 12 or only 11?
11 and 12.
11 and 12, my lord.
Right.
I may be pardon, my lord. I am
My lord, interim order not passed in this case, my lord.
Not necessarily, sir.
Yes, my lord, my lord.
I may be pardon, my lord. Item number 6. I am on BC, my lord. Item number 6. It's a PIL matter. It's a different matter. PIL matter. Item 6, my lord.
1 minute. Correct.
Item 6.
6 and 7 get called. Right, sorry.
Item number 6.
My lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, I am challenging the action of opposite parties in creating Bodamachpur Gram Panchayat in the district of Puri, my lord. My lord, one Sagada Gram Panchayat that was reorganized as per the notification of the government, and Bodamachpur Gram Panchayat was created in the.
But you don't seem to have made any new representations.
No, my lord. No new representation I have not made.
Why? First make a representation, sir, because the earlier writ petition was dismissed for non-prosecution.
Yes, my lord.
So you make a fresh representation. The petitioner seeks you to withdraw the present petition with liberty to first make a representation to the authorities and after following up such representation to seek appropriate remedies in accordance with law.
My lord, kindly fix up a time limit, my lord. So
No, you first make it, sir. You first make it.
Obliged.
Supplementary list item number 7.
May I please lordship. My lord, the petitioners filed this present PIL regarding the opposing the construction of the vending zone, my lord, which is being carried out adjacent to the town hall near the Deogur town, my lord.
All right, 27 March.
And
Same.
other similar matters, my lord, item 20, 28, 57, 60, 61, 62, 67, and 85.
All right.
No, yes, the departmental proceeding.
What now? Tell us the numbers again.
My lord, 13, 20, 28, 57,
20 you have to add.
20,
28, 57, 60, 61, 62, 67, 85.
All right.
item number 16,
Lord, 16 state is the appellant.
Mm.
I 324 of 2022 for condonation of delay. The delay is 769 days, but it is inclusive of the COVID period.
When is the court?
The judgment was passed on 26/11/2019.
19.
Prior to the
So prior COVID period, you haven't explained. What is the matter about it?
yes, matter is that there is a contract for leasing out a shop room by the government, and as per the contract, we have fixed the rate. He filed a writ petition that the nearby shop owners in an auction made by the opposite party, he was the highest bidder, and the shop room was allotted to him. And as per the bid notice, the rent was fixed at rupees 4 per square feet. He is saying that adjoining shop owners, they are giving less money, so I have been discriminated. On the ground of discrimination, the Honorable Single Judge has said that but my ground in the appeal memo is that once he is an auction holder and he participated in the bid, according to the terms and conditions, we have fixed the rent. So he cannot be.
All right, we can confine it to the facts of the case.
Yes.
There's an inordinate delay of
769 days.
769 days in filing the appeal. Even accounting for the COVID-19 period, there still appears to be an inordinate, unexplained delay in filing the writ appeal. Paragraph, nevertheless, the writ appeal has also been examined on merits. We'll stop the issues about the respondent being charged at a slightly higher rate by way of rent for a shop in a market building unit at Bhubaneswar, when 95 other neighboring shops were charged a lesser amount. Full stop. The learned single judge has, on merits, accepted the plea of the respondent and directed that he be charged the same as was charged to 95 other shopkeepers. In the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, the court considers it not appropriate to interfere with the impugned order. However, it is clarified that it will not constitute a precedent since it was passed in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case. The writ appeal is accordingly dismissed both on limitation as well as on merits, but with the above observations.
item number 17,
Yes, item 17 is a first day disposal matter pertaining to disbursal of family pension along with interest. We have already paid the pension, but the interest part, that is is staying the orders in.
Why? What is the? Is there any contempt filed?
No, there's no.
Then we'll say notice on
Notice.
case.
Then notice.
Actually, there's no stay application. Is there a stay application?
No,
And then
this
notice on the delays, how much?
This is during the COVID period. It's December 20.
Delays condones. The exemption allowed. Say notice returnable. 26th April.
item number 18,
My lord, item 18, one passport, my lord.
All right.
First,
item number 19,
19 is a writ appeal involving the question as to claim of regularization of the Gram Rozgar Sevaks. Admittedly, Gram Rozgar Sevaks are schematic appointees, and they are continuing on the basis of a contract lawfully selected by process of advertisement and entire thing.
Correct.
And their claim for regularization has been dealt with by the Honorable Single Judge only qua the GPTs and dismissed the matter. But one just primary thing I have to submit, the identically placed Gram Rozgar Sevaks writ petitions are still pending before the Honorable Single Judges. Now, on account of dismissal of this matter, they will be definitely affected. So in any view of the matter, either this may be taken up at a later date or let the government come back to your lordship with an instruction if at all they have any plan.
My Lord, as far as GRS is concerned, my Lord, we do not have any such specific plan regarding creation of those posts, my Lords. But so far as GTP is concerned, we have created, and particularly those posts were sanctioned by the government and thereafter they were regularized. But GRS, my Lord, since is schematic appointment, as your lordship knows, and so far as in other states also.
How many are involved? How many GRSs are all together in all over Orissa?
That
you find out.
Yes.
Say, Council of the State will inform the court how many Gram Rozgar Sevaks bracket GRSs are deployed all over the state of Orissa, and whether there is any, and if there is any scheme contemplated,
yes,
a scheme / policy contemplated for their regularization. An affidavit in this regard we filed before the next state. List on 24th April.
That will.
Item number 21. Item 21.
This similar, the other writ appeals challenging the same judgment has already. Page 42 is the judgment.
All right. Notice returnable.
21.
No, when is this listed? When is this matter listed?
My Lord,
949. Just find out 949 of 2025. Writ appeal.
Right.
The next date has not been fixed.
8th August. 8th August. All right. No. No further date. All right. Notice returnable 4th May. No, any steps taken in the meanwhile will be subject to the outcome of the return. All right.
22 and 23 also same.
Same 20. List along with this number.
Item number 26.
Same, must be 24 and 25.
Item 20 Sarta Parade.
It must be 26, 27, all Sarta Parada. 26 is also Sarita Parada.
Yes, ma'am.
He's probably forgotten.
Item number 29.
My Lord, I'm sorry. My Lord, let this matter be taken up 1 week after. I need to file some relevant documents by way of additional.
All right. Say list on 19th April. Defect we remove the window. Right.
Oh, please.
Copy has not been, state is a party.
That's what, that defect he has to. He has not even filed certified copies.
Item number 30.
Item 30, I want to withdraw that writ appeal with liberty to file it. That I have given the copy. And similar matter, my Lord, 31 and 32.
30, 31, 32. Same order.
Item 33.
On the basis.
Item number 34.
Item 34, my lord, that is appointment during that 2020 rules. I have given that copy. Your lordship has fixed next date to 30th August, my lord.
Rehabilitation assistance.
56 or 58.
Same order.
56.
34, 35 and 56, 58.
All right.
Item 36. (36).
36, my lord, that's similar to item 8, my outsourcing.
All right. Outsourcing.
Outsourcing.
Item 39.
On the basis.
Item number 40. Item number 45.
Yes, I pray that your lordship may kindly allow me one with time. I will serve a copy on the state, my lord. All right. List on. Okay. List on 17th April. Defects be cured in the meanwhile. The other defects may be ignored because not anyway. You cure whatever you have to cure. Right.
Item 49.
Not pressed. Disposed as not.
50, my lord, similar to item 8.
Outsourcing.
My lord.
All right.
Item 51.
51, Sartaparida.
Item 55. Item number 55.
On a basis dismissed.
Item number 56.
56 the rehabilitation.
Sorry, man, 56 similar to
56
30.
and 58
That's
are
right.
rehabilitation assistance.
Item number 63.
63 minutes outsourcing matter similar to item 8.
Outsourcing.
Item 64.
64, 65, my lord. Yesterday, your lordship had a similar matter. Your lordship had and issued notice. Fix the matter 8th of August.
All right. Notice written late. All right.
Item 65.
65 also same.
Same.
Item 66. Yes.
66 outsourcing. Outsourcing.
Outsourcing. All right.
Item 72. Item number 72.
None of this.
Item number 73.
Same.
For admission, item number 74.
None of this.
Item number 75.
At 75, I have filed the rejoinder. It seems it is not on record.
Yes.
So I have served the copy on railways. Your lordship may direct let it come some other day.
All right.
With the
Rejoinder to be
rejoinder.
brought on record. List on.
There is an interim order, your lordship.
19th April, interim order to continue.
Item number 76. Supplementary list item number 76.
None of this.
Item number 77.
It's 77. It's a very serious matter which pertains to the management and administration of Temple Fundi of Sri Jagannath Temple and also the Ratna Bhandar. Here, Lordship knows this issue has been haunting the state since last 4-5 years, since 2018. When allegedly the key of Ratna Bhandar was missing. Your Lordship, lots of things were done in between, a commission and all that. They claimed that one, it will take some time. If your Lordship may fix a date at 2 p.m., then it is a very lengthy matter. In fact, I couldn't prepare much. So,
there's already something happening in this matter.
Nothing has happened. They are not opening that Ratna Bhandar.
That government has already established a commission, Justice R.B. Das, and he has given.
That has nothing to do with this. They said it was with regard to the lost key. They claimed that a duplicate key was found. Duplicate key must, in that event, the duplicate key should be the duplicate of the original. So that is why
Mr. Acharya
is to open the Ratna Bhandar. They are not
Mr. Acharya
opening
says that he will file a detailed date chart and a written note of submissions. The additional government advocate will, as well as the counsel for the opposite party number 12.
Temple Trust.
Yeah, 12 will do likewise. List on 10th August at 2 p.m.
That's 10th August.
Yes.
Can it not be before that?
No. It's fine.
It should be hard. Any date prior to that.
That's right. That's
Item number 7.
No, it's okay.
Today, in fact, I couldn't prepare. That is, it came in the supplementary.
My lord, may fix it to after vacation, June, last week.
April.
Better.
Doesn't matter. Not
April or before. 10th August, your Lordship, I know why your Lordship. Any date in April or May.
Doesn't matter, sir. Let this matter. Yes.
Item number 78.
My lord, I beg excuse, my lord.
Item 73, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, item 73, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I pray for removal of defect within 3 days, my lord.
All right, 73 then.
My lord, item number 74.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 73. Say list on 19th April. Defects be cured in the meanwhile. 74.
74, my lord, counter copy has not been served. I will file also rejoinder to that. Noting is also counter not served.
74, you say copy of the counter affidavit. Opposite parties 2 and 3 be served on counsel to the petitioner. Rejoinder before the next date.
76, my lord.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
List on.
Item 72, my lord.
1 minute, sir. Do not interrupt.
In 74, my lord,
1 minute, sir. 4 July.
In 74, my lord, counter filed by the state already served. Copy served.
No, Union of India. Union of India has not served.
Okay.
72, sir.
Yes, sir. 72.
My lord. Removal of defect, my lord.
All right. You say list on 19th April. Defects be removed in the meanwhile. All right.
76.
76, my lord. 76. Permitted to withdraw to file a revision before the RTC, my lord.
All right. Counsel, the petition seeks leave to withdraw the present petition with liberty to file
revision before the RTC.
Petition before the Revenue Divisional Commissioner in accordance with law.
My lord.
If such revision petition is filed not later than 10th April, accompanied by an application for condition of delay, explain the delay on account of the pendency of the present petition. It will be considered in accordance with law by the
Obliged.
provincial authority.
Okay.
The court clarifies it is not expressed in the
Item number 78.
May I please, my lord? My lord, here the matter relates to preservation of that Godakhai moat of Bharavati Fort, my lord. The central government had sanctioned 17 crore rupees and the Honorable Chief Minister had found
It's coming out. Have you seen the museum?
Museum I have seen, my lord.
But the moat is being cleared. You saw that?
My lord is Delhi going there, my lord. Still that.
One side it will start that they have started this side.
Only
lot of developmental work go in that area.
Now this is triggered some other work also. So they're going to continue. That's what
You
they
go
say.
and see.
Delhi, I am going to Gadchandi temple, sir.
But you are not seeing. What
My lord, my humble submission is, being prima facie satisfied, this Honorable Court on 16/3/2020, please to direct the state to file counter. Till yet, they have not filed the counter. Let them file the counter.
Basically, it's the CMC which is doing it, sir.
My lord, it is the Archaeological Survey of India, my lord.
ASI
It is coming under ASI. This is a restricted area, my lord, of 100 meters, my lord.
Okay, where is Mr. Padi has to appear?
I have soft copy on them, my lord. They have also filed their counter, my lord.
So who has to file counter now?
ASI as well as the CMC, my lord.
All right, counter affidavits be filed by both the ASI and CMC positively on or before 30th April.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Rejoined any before the next date. And this on 15th May.
Pardon me.
5th May.
15.
79, your lordship has fixed it to 2 p.m. Your lordship can take up now because
I know, but counsel, Mr. Jena has to be here.
In that case, my learned friend.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, we have filed an IA for some time, my lord, for because the budget session starts from tomorrow. So the department is in a little fix, my lord. They're praying for
food matter.
Food matter, that Food Security Act. That was.
You were appearing earlier. All right.
I'm handicapped.
What's the IA number? 3274.
3274.
All right. IA 3274 of 2023. This is an application by the department seeking one month's time for complying with the order dated 3rd January 2023. For the reason stated therein, the application is allowed. The time for compliance is extended by 1 month from today.
My lord, they have prayed for 8 weeks' time because the budget session ends on April 6th.
All right. Is extended till the next date of hearing. Till we just say. Till 15th May. All right. Till 15th May.
Presentation
27th June.
At 2 p.m., my lord?
At 2 p.m.
Yes. Oblast one. Highly oblast.
27th June. My lord, during this session, we are going to present that bill, Apartment Ownership Act. It is already cleared by the cabinet.
Very good.
And it will be placed before the assembly in this session.
All right.
Everything is completed.
All right.
Item number 80.
80, my lord.
Mangla Jodi.
Lordship, this is a case, Lordship, for stopping the machine boat in Chilka Lake, Lordship.
Correct.
We have filed the affidavit.
10,000 registered machine boats are there before the district fisheries officer.
So one more season has gone off very smoothly without any trouble to anyone.
Lordship.
Now Lordship, the birds are returning, sir, so let them return.
No, Lordship, we are not on the birds, Lordship. What we are praying, Lordship, your Lordship has taken the view that whether the machine boat can be stopped in these areas.
We'd ask for solar powered boats, whether that's feasible or not.
Yes, Lordship. We also pray that solar powered boat is to be the need of the day. That can also help for increasing the fish catching in the Chilka Lake, Lordship.
Correct. What happened to Mr. Mishra? Mr. Ashish Mishra is the counsel for the petitioner. Was this also 2 o'clock?
No.
No, Lordship, it is in the, as usual, Lordship's colleague. Better, Lordship, their prayer is that to stop the movement of the
motorized boats.
Motorized boat, Lordship. In the meantime, the birds are flying.
A detailed affidavit is filed by the fisheries director.
We had extended the time, sir, for filing last time.
No, that is 8th February 20.
No, 19th December. We had extended till today.
The 8th February 2023 affidavit.
Where is that? Oh.
There is an affidavit. We had a meeting with the stakeholders, and the minutes of the meeting also annexed. And I have soft copy on the other side also, this affidavit.
Oh,
8th February.
Mr. Biswal.
He has to give his response.
No, Lordship, I have not got. Lordship,
No, Assis Misra.
It's a copy of the affidavit dated 8th February 2023. We served on Mr. Mishra as well as Mr. Biswal.
Lordship.
Advocates. They will file the response there too, if any, before the next date. No, charging of solar battery boats, you say it's too high, fishermen cannot. Why
Yes.
should you make them bear it, sir? There's a huge tourist there.
No, that is okay, but we have to consult the stakeholders. That is also the direction of this one. And
No, I know. The only reason seems to be the cost is high for the fishermen there.
Yes.
So you subsidize it, sir. This has got a huge tourist attraction, this Mangla Jodi. I'm sure the state government can afford to subsidize it or.
Yes, Lordship. They can provide us the boat.
I will take instruction on that one. Your Lordship may.
All right, list on.
Observe it.
Yeah. You see, if the only constraint is the cost of operating solar battery operated boats by the fishermen in the area, the state government should think of a scheme for subsidizing the cost of running such boats, given the enormous tourist influx.
Of the migratory birds, Lordship.
Yeah, tourist influx. No. To watch the migratory birds in the Mangla Jodi sanctuary, bird sanctuary. Mr. Manthi states that this will be further deliberated upon and an affidavit will be filed for the next date. Third July.
Obliged, Lordship.
Right.
Item number 81.
Under 81, I'm for the private opposite party. I'm entering appearance, but I'm filing my counter, Lordship. I accept and serve a copy to my brother also in course of the day. The Lordship may accept my counter affidavit and my wakalat.
My Lord, pursuant to your Lordship's direction, we have filed the counter affidavit and the video is personally present because in that area sometimes the internet failure is there. That is why for abandoned person, he is physically present in court. Tahsildar, sorry. My Lord, that is a status quo order of the civil court.
There are two civil suits. Even revision case is pending for correction of the map, and the encroachment which they say is 0.0015 decimal only, which is just a mistake in the map. So correction of the mistake is pending before the authority. Even the private parties as well as the petitioner, there is a two civil suits are pending. Those are brought on the record.
Those are not disclosed in the petition.
No, petitioner. We have filed the copy of this. That is the only impediment. That is the only impediment for which my Tahsildar could not.
That is a status quo order by the civil court also, madam.
Why don't you remove the encroachment, sir? Then all this will get resolved.
No, madam, it is just 0.0015 decimal, which is just a negligible, just one small portion of the veranda projected is there. And for that, there's a dispute in the map. So map correction is pending, madam. So if the map is corrected, nothing will be there for encroachment.
Yes, sir. You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You didn't disclose the pendency of all these proceedings?
As per my instructions, Your Lordship, the civil suit that is paid, there are 3 encroachments done by the private opposite parties, Your Lordship. I am claiming relief against one of them.
So there are 2
With regards to other 2, the suits are pending.
482 and 409. 482 2018.
Well, a copy of the...
Just now, sir, I just...
All right. Copy of the counter affidavit filed by opposite party number 4 be served on counsel for the petitioner as well as state. Rejoined that to be filed with the next date. There's an interim order here? No.
No, Your Lordship.
Third May.
But the state
Much
has
obliged.
also filed. Let the state also serve me a copy so that I can...
Or a copy of the counter affidavit filed where the state be served on Mr. Bose, learned counsel for opposite party number 4. All right.
Personal appearance of the
We have not called for it, sir. I don't think it was called for last time.
maybe dispense with, because there is an order that he will
Where is
personally.
it? No. Which one?
Yes, the last order.
Virtual mode only. So
No,
next
that
time
is
also
what-
let him be there in virtual mode.
No,
The
because
Tahsildar Balikuda will remain present in virtual mode. That's it. Only in virtual mode, sir.
Yes, sir.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
Item number 82.
My lord. My lord, I'm seeking for a passover. My senior advocate is on its legs.
You are for whom? For the petitioner?
But item 82, last occasion, affidavit has been filed. But I pray, Lord, for 7 days time be granted to file a reply. I have already received yesterday.
Whom are you for, sir?
I am
Transport
for the
Commissioner.
Opposite party.
Counsel, the Transport Commissioner seeks and is granted 4 weeks time to file a response to the affidavit of the appellant. 4th July.
Obliged.
Item 83.
Lord, item 83, Your Lordship had directed on 22/11/2022 that the Vigilance Department will file an affidavit showing the present position. Your Lordship, just to recollect, my mutation case is not being disposed of because of pendency of a vigilance case. They say the records have. Now they have filed the affidavit that nothing against me.
Mr. Sangram Das. Last time Mr. Sangram Das was there.
They have filed an affidavit.
They have filed.
Yes, bro.
What do they say in that?
No, they say that Your Lordship, see paragraph 2 of that affidavit.
Yes.
After completion of the investigation pertaining to Cuttack Vigilance Petition so-and-so, charge sheet was filed against the 4 government officials and 4 private accused persons, including the brother and relations of the present petitioner, not the petitioner, under section so-and-so, for executing sale deeds pertaining to forest land and allowing conversion of such, violating the exit rules and manipulating also. Now the matter is pending before the Court of Learned Special Judge Vigilance Cuttack in TR case number so-and-so, and all the documents, records seized by the Vigilance Department have been produced, kept in the Malkhana of the Learned Court below. Lord, may I suggest one thing, Lord? The mutating authorities, the court may direct, send the records to the for a particular period and direct that after disposal of the mutation cases, they be returned to the court. Because it's lying in the records have been seized, the formality is over.
Counsel for the Vigilance Department. So although an affidavit has been filed on 9th March 2023 by the Superintendent of Police Vigilance Cuttack Division, counsel for the said party is not present when the matter was called out. Mr. Monty, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, points out that the details of the case, of the criminal case referred to in para 2 of the said affidavit, do not involve the present petitioner. Present appellant, is it?
Present appellant, sorry.
Right. And therefore, a direction should be issued to the mutating authority to proceed in the matter after being given access to the record seized by the Vigilance Department.
Yes, ma'am. Well, may I pray that Your Lordship may direct the court to send it for a particular period so that it can be disposed of and again resent to the court. after disposal, it may be resent to the court for. Because private parties, we may not have access to the records. The court will give it to the court and court will get back.
I don't know where the counsel is. I don't want to pass this in his absence. It's better it is passed in his presence than it will get implemented at least.
No, I don't think he has, because the court is, now they say that the Malkhana, the record is in the Malkhana. So the court is in session of the matter. Court can send it because now they don't need it. Cognizance has not been taken. So, cognizance has been challenged. So therefore, the records can go and then come back after a particular period.
No, then the mutating authority also has to do it in a time-bound manner.
Yes, no, that's what I'm saying. Already about 7-8 years have passed. He is a cancer patient. He wants to sell the property for his treatment. Unless it is muted.
What do you say? You have any, you must be for the mutating authority.
Yes,
no?
yes. We don't have any instruction.
You'll have to take an instruction, sir. Counsel for the, that is a Tahsildar, is it?
Yes, Tahsildar.
Tahsildar Tunagadi, Mr. Ishwar Mahanti, learned AC, seeks time for instructions on the above submission. We'll have it soon. April 19th.
Item number 84.
Items 84, 87, and 89 pertain to regularization of daily wage workers. Those matters, are coming up on 24th of April 2020.
24th April. All right. 84, 87, and
87 and 89.
All right. It's on 24th April. Along with
writ appeal 137 of 2022.
127.
137.
137 of 2020. All right.
Item number 88.
Item 88, my lord, may I pray your lordship take up this for tomorrow, my lord, that file is misplaced. Tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow. 90.
Item number 90.
So, Samal.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, may kindly have a glance to the last order your lordship passed on 6th of December 2022. That despite a letter issued to the Deputy Director of Agriculture Sambalpur on 26th of March 2018 to the Managing Director Apical, Bhubaneswar, confirming that the document submitted by the petitioner for release of CIS claim in her favor to be verified and found correct. Till date, she has not received the said CIS amount. It is pointed out that the so-called discrepancies pointed out in the
which has been annexed to our counter affidavit. That is us, and therefore, my lords know the decision on it.
they are officers under Annexure 7 and 8.
I have just two submissions to.
They are officers scrutinized, made an inquiry on being satisfied and recommended. It is not that I submitted a bill, they refused. They are officers, as per their instruction, I made the project. As per their instruction, I purchased the car, and thereafter, they being satisfied, they are all government officers. Your lordship, under Annexure 7, they are all government officers. They visited my firm and recommended for release of the amount to the authority, and a certificate to that effect has also been issued by the collector. with the chairman under Annex 8. This is, yes, this person has constructed the project and as per the scheme, he is entitled for the.
All right. On 6th December 2022, the following order was passed with this court. In response to the above order, an affidavit has been filed by opposite party number 4, that is accountant in the office of the project director, Agricultural Technology Management Agency. How the asset affidavit did not answer the specific question raised in the above order. So accordingly, on 24th January 2023, the following order was passed to reproduce that order. Paragraph. There is no answer to the plea of the petitioner that the conditionalities attached to the letter date. The conditionalities, as pointed out in the letter dated 28th April 2018 of the Managing Director of APICOL, Epicol, to the Deputy Director of Agriculture, do not apply, since the petitioner's project is for an amount of less than ₹1 crore. Paragraph. Today, Mr. Mathil at ASC says that the only reason why the petitioner's CI's amount was not released was because of the above single quotes discrepancy, unquote. With there being no doubt that the value of the petitioner's project was less than ₹1 crore. The conditionalities for release of the CI's amount in her favor do not apply to a case. Since there is no valid explanation of withholding the CI's amount till date, a direction is issued quashing the letters dated 28th April 2018, bracket Annexure 12, and 16th May 2018, bracket Annexure 13. And a direction is issued to release the subsidy amount due to the petitioner in terms of the subsidy approval certificate dated 26th February 2018, not later than 15th May 2023, failing which the amount, full stop, the amount will be released together with simple interest at 6% per annum on the said amount from the date it was due till the date of its release. Full stop. If the payment is not made by the above date, then the opposite parties will be liable to pay further simple interest at 9% per annum on the said amount for the period of the year. If there is non-compliance with the above directions, it will be open to the petitioner to seek appropriate remedies in accordance with the law. The petition is disposed of in the court.
One password. Kindly pardon me, my lord. For the last 7 days, I am ailing. There is a throat problem. Till then, I have come back. I was late. My item is 55. I couldn't attend in the proper time. I pray, my lord, it can be taken up. Matter is very short. The petition filed under 227 has been dismissed against an interim order. It had come to the Honorable Court. Honorable Single Judge.
Maintainable, sir.
My lord?
No writ appeal is maintainable.
No, I am conscious about that, but I'll only make a prayer that had it been disposed of on merit, then a writ appeal would not lie. But it has been dismissed because of a technical point. Technical ground is that why you did not listed this matter earlier. During that time, COVID period was going on. And the entire system was changed, my lord. Kindly see, if that has been adjudicated on merit, I had no case before my lord. But I want a fair adjudication on merit. I know it may be dismissed subsequently if I got no case. But I have got a case in view of the fact that only a typographical error relating to khata and plot number has to be changed. They are Adivasi people. They are scheduled tribe. They have less knowledge in law. They have briefed improperly to the council. Those are the things. I pray, kindly remitted back on merit, let it be disposed of. Even I am conscious that it is not tenable. Certiorari has not been issued. Had it been issued, I had no case. I pray only on merit, let it be disposed of.
2012, what is happening in this suit?
My lord.
What has happened in the suit? The suit number
Suit is not still live. Only amendment was spread for that was refused, against which I had to come to this honorable court. That was dismissed.
No, you are the defendant or the plaintiff?
I am the defendant, my lord.
I
am the plaintiff. I am the plaintiff, Adivasi poor Harijan.
This is a suit for.
Kindly see, the nature is not going to change. It is a suit for injunction. 10 dismiss of land they have encroached upon, against which I have come saying that let them be injuncted not to interfere with my possession, let them not construct anything there. Against that, WS was filed, saying that, so identity of land is known to both sides. But by mistake, I gave a wrong number, which has been reflected in the pen, and subsequently, when it was detected, I prayed that let it be changed to this plot from that plot. That was the only amendment sought for. That has been rejected on the ground. It is changing the nature and character. How it changes, that your lordship may decide. It doesn't change. Character is same. Suit for injunction, same. That a particular area over which injunction is sought for, that is also known to the parties. Now, considering that, if it will lead to multiplicity of suit, I'll have to file another suit. And we are poor Adivasi Harijan people. Kindly consider that.
No. You have to use the right remedies, sir. You can't go on. Can't be only ground for entertaining.
No, not on that. They are
go on. You're not repeating that line for 5 times somehow as if the writ appeal will become maintainable.
For that, I'm sorry, but
in fact, if they are poor people, you should guide them correctly.
Harping on that point is that they are illiterate. They do not have that acumen.
Sir, should we attribute that to the lawyers also? Lawyers who are preparing their petitions and then filing appeals. We should attribute all that to the lawyers also. So they are poor people coming to you for advice, correct?
Lawyer takes a view on a bona fide impression that this is the correct khata number on which he wants to have his claim.
Does the lawyer not have to correctly advise them whether the remedy against dismissal of a writ petition under 227 is a writ appeal or not? And when the court asks you, is it maintainable? You'll go on saying, sir, they are poor Adivasi people.
What I beg to submit before all this honorable court, that on mere technicalities, if a poor man's list is dismissed, then where he will go? I cannot go to Supreme Court.
Why not? So where will poor man go? So anything which is not maintainable, entertain it, because where will poor man go? This is the main order. Answer when we ask you a neat question of law, the answer is where will poor man go?
No, in that way I will be.
What is this? This which means anything can be filed anywhere. And the court asks you how is it maintainable, you'll say where will poor man go?
In that way I am not arguing.
Your argument is the only argument. Where will poor man go? Illiterate Adivasi person, where will he go?
Kindly bear with me.
No answer in law.
My
only your emotion. You want to only project emotion. Let us answer laws. It doesn't need legal
understanding that way, I'm sorry, my point is that on technicality, a poor man's
You say
lease-
counsel for the appellant is unable to satisfy the code about the maintainability of the appeal. He wants some more time to address arguments on this issue. List on. Put it for whatever. 9th August. All right.
9th August. Okay.
Supplementary list pastor matter item number 18. Item 18.
My lord, there is a defect, my lord. I may permit it 3 days time to remove defect, my lord.
All right. List on. 18th April. Defects we cured in the meanwhile.
Oh, right.
All right.